Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we were going to discuss about the plate boundaries and the plate tectonics. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Just click here. Our country is blessed with so many different land features such as mountains and volcanoes. These features can be sourced for different minerals or can be used for agricultural purposes. For example, our majestic and world-renowned Mayan volcanoes, because of its activities, it produces fertile slope and plains which are the locals used to produce their crops. As we see in the northeastern coast of Luzon, we have Sierra Madre mountain range which is home for the many endemic species such as the flora and fauna. Have you ever wondered why our country is endowed with this kind of geologic features? Well, if your answer is yes, then this video will help you to find the answer to your questions. In this video, we will study thoroughly the framework that enable us to understand why and how several features of the Earth continuously change. And this theory is what we call plate tectonics. What is plate tectonics all about? The lithosphere of the Earth consists of layers, the crust and the upper part of the mantle. This particular lesson is focused only on the outermost layer of the Earth, which is called the crust. The crust is made of a variety of solid rock like sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. It has an average density of 2.8 grams per cubic centimeter and thickness ranges from 5 to 50 kilometers. You will notice from the figure that there are two kinds of crust. The thicker but less dense continental crust and oceanic crust, which is relatively thinner but denser than continental crust. The crust is thickest in a part where a relatively young mountain is present and thinnest along the ocean floor.
As shown in this figure, there are 7 relatively large plates and a number of smaller ones, including the Philippine plates. The plates move very slowly but constantly, and this movement was called tectonics. Thus, the theory of moving lithospheric plates is called plate tectonics.
An earthquake releases three types of seismic waves: the P waves or the primary waves, S waves or the secondary waves, and the L waves or what we call long surface waves. The primary waves and secondary waves travels within the Earth's interior, while the last one or the long surface wave is on the Earth's surface. Let's now proceed to the types of plate boundaries. Studying plate boundaries is important because along these boundaries, the deformation of lithosphere is happening. These geologic events have a great impact not only to our environment but also on us. If we have at least 3 recording stations that can tell how far away from them the earthquake occurred, the epicenter can be determined using the triangulation method. It uses distances information from 3 seismic stations to locate the earthquake's epicenter. There are 3 distinct types of plate boundaries, which are differentiated for the types of movements they exhibit. The first type of plate boundary is termed as divergent boundary, wherein plates move apart creating a zone of tension.
Let's see the second type of plate boundaries. Let's take the case of the Philippine plate and the Eurasian plate. You will notice that the two plates are moving toward each other. And this second type of plate boundary is called convergent plate boundary.
The third type of plate boundary is the transform fault boundary, where plates are slides and grain spots each other without diverging and converging. Thank you for watching!